Hey everybody, this is a lecture video from chapter 13, and in this video I really want to talk about the differences between health and skill-related physical fitness. Health-related physical fitness is for everybody. Everybody can do health-related physical fitness. Everybody can improve their health doing physical fitness. When we look at health-related, when we really look at what physical fitness is, a definition for physical fitness is a state of well-being with a low risk of premature health problems and energy to participate in a variety of physical activities. Health is what we're looking to do. We're looking to improve the students' health. So it doesn't matter what their genetics is, what their coordination is, how good they are at sports, how fast they pick up skills. We can always improve students' health through fitness. So that's our main goal with physical education is health-related fitness. Skill-related fitness is certainly part of what we want to do, and we would like to help improve students' skills, but their skill-related fitness is more influenced by genetic traits and abilities. Some people are naturally more coordinated than others. Some people are faster than others. Some people are stronger than others. Genetics plays a role in that. But the health-related fitness, that's not the case. So let's talk about health-related fitness just a little bit. Health-related fitness is going to cover 4 categories of health-related fitness. There's your cardiovascular fitness, body composition, flexibility, and muscular strength and endurance. When we talk about the first one of those, cardiovascular fitness, we're really looking at aerobic fitness or aerobic capacity. Aerobic is probably a term that you've heard of before. Aerobic capacity is the ability of the heart, the blood vessels, and the respiratory system to deliver oxygen efficiently for an extended period of time. So that's your cardiovascular system. That is your ability to breathe in, your ability of your heart to pump, your blood vessels to carry oxygen to your muscles to create energy, and to be able to do that for a long period of time. That period of time could be different for each person, but it's like running a mile. Can I run a mile at a steady pace without having to stop, right? Can I go through that whole thing? Can my body, can my breathing and my heart rate and my muscles and everything work so I can run an entire mile without having to stop and walk? That's kind of how a way that you can measure aerobic capacity. Lots of different activities involve aerobic capacity. Things like walking, jogging, biking, jumping rope, doing aerobics, swimming, playing sports. These things where you have to constantly be moving. It could be jumping jacks. It could be a fitness-related session, but things where you're constantly moving is going to build your aerobic capacity, and that's going to have a big impact on all sorts of health issues and help students have overall better health. Another aspect is body composition. One of the simplest ways to measure body composition, not a perfect way to measure it, but a simple way to measure it, is by using a BMI calculator. The BMI is your body mass index. It's simple to calculate. You can go to the internet and type in BMI calculator for children. There's one on the Center for Disease Control website that you can use. That's a simple way to measure students' body composition. It's not a perfect measure. There's a lot of information about that on the internet, but it is a good way to measure things. It uses your height, and your weight to figure out your BMI. It can't judge the quality of your weight. So somebody who's very muscular is going to have a really high BMI. So just because somebody weighs a lot doesn't necessarily mean they're unhealthy, because a lot of their weight could be muscle. So you'd have to use your own personal judgment. But a BMI calculator could say that a student is obese, and when you look at that student, you recognize the student is not obese, but they're just bigger in their muscle. They have a lot of muscle, and muscle is healthy. So BMI is not a perfect measurement, but it is a simple one to use. Another aspect of health-related fitness is flexibility. This really plays a lot into lower back problems. A lot of people, as they grow older, have back problems, and flexibility can help prevent a lot of those problems. But flexibility is easy to do. It's easy to use in your classes, doing different stretching and reaching, and there's a lot of dynamic flexibility things that you can do. Muscular strength and endurance. Muscular strength is the ability of your muscles to exert force, and muscular endurance is the ability to exert that force over an extended period of time. There's a lot of different activities that will play into that. There's abdominal strength, upper body strength, trunk strength. That's a part of that. There's a lot of different exercises that you can use to help improve somebody's strength. So when we're looking at health-related fitness, we're looking at their aerobic capacity, their body composition, flexibility, and muscular strength. So those are the things that we want to make sure that are included in all of our lesson plans, is improving the students' health-related fitness. Now, skill-related fitness is more related to their athletic ability, speed, agility, coordination. These are things that are skill-related fitness. Hand-eye coordination is going to play a big role in sports. There's a couple categories we'll look at. There's 5 categories that we think of with skill-related fitness, but these are more based on genetics. Some students are going to naturally be really good at doing these things. One is agility. Agility is the body's ability to change positions very quickly. Agility is something you see a lot with basketball. Certain positions in football, running backs, quarterbacks, receivers, corners, those guys in football are going to have a lot of agility. Balance is a skill-related fitness. Balance is the body's ability to maintain a state of equilibrium. That's not going to be, some students have really good balance, some students don't have as good a balance. Coordination, the body's ability to perform more than one motor task at a time, like running and throwing or running and catching, coordinating multiple motor tasks at once. Power, that's your ability to transfer energy explosively into force. Power really requires performing strength activities with maximum force as quickly as possible. Power would be your ability to jump. Basketball players often have a lot of power. Your ability to jump and force explode off the ground is a good measure of power. Speed is the body's ability to move rapidly. So agility, balance, coordination, power, and speed are all skill-related fitness activities. They're very important to what we do as PE teachers. We want to help improve our students' ability to perform skill-related tasks, but what's even more important is the health-related side of physical fitness. Every day, every lesson plan should help improve students' health-related physical fitness. So hopefully this video helps you understand the difference between health and skill-related fitness activities.